Hello, everyone, I am Brian. A retail trader for several years and never knew why I couldn't make any money. I primarily traded on FX Forex. For those who are new to trading, I have been recently looking into trading stocks. I shouldn't say trading, but rather investing. I walked away with a larger scope of markets and had no idea that markets could be traded outside the United States, on a global scale. I have been consistently good at one thing, and that is losing money, but thanks to Hedge Fund Trader X, I now see why. I was only looking at the immediate trend, not on the whole sector trend. I would do my technical analysis and be right sometimes and see my trades come back and get stopped out, and not know why. Thanks to the program's broader view, I now know why. I only focused on one retail market and now see that I've been very naive and walked straight into failure. I have been looking for a way to be on the side with the smart money. And this program has gained me access to the global markets using their featured macros. I have been through a lot and made through the tough times because of this amazing guide. I would highly recommend everyone to take a minute and see for yourselves what this program has to offer. Just click the link to learn more about hedge fund trading for free and be top among the others. But before you do that, I'd like to share some other testimonials to Christopher and Dia's methods and knowledge.
I was Smart Trade Pro beginning of last year, so it was beginning of 2011, and really at the time I was interested in taking my trading to the next level, and really getting into having enough information so that I could really start growing my investments and my nest egg. And
by chance, we were at a conference back in 2007 and met DR and Christopher. We both knew immediately that we resonated with their teaching and their understanding of the markets. We instantly knew that we wanted to work with them. This led us on a journey, and we're still continuing that journey with DR and Christopher.
The knowledge base of Christopher and DR is phenomenal. Their teaching skills are outstanding. I would strongly recommend this program to anybody who wants to understand trading and be a successful discretionary trader.
They are outstanding. They really are. DR is more of the systems guy. Christopher is more of the right brain guy, and the two of them together, they have studied how to train people, and it really shows because they make it easy for you to understand. You couldn't ask for two guys with bigger hearts. You really couldn't. They really care about the people that they work with, and it shows every time that you have any dealings with them. It's incredible.
I knew some stuff from taking some other courses, but this is an entirely other level. They take out all of the well, not all of the jargon. There are certain terms that are used, but they focus on the most important things to be following and taking all the other, what I call crap and garbage out of it that I learned in other courses that really did nothing for me.
I've worked with these guys for 7 years, and using Smart Trade Pro, I was trading my mother's portfolio in 2008 when the market tanked, and I kept from losing 50% of her funds, and that's going to impact our family for generations to come.
I found the Smart Trade Pro guys about 7 years ago. I've been working with them. I've had great success. These guys are without question the best guys I've ever come from. I've taken many seminars.
Oh, my name is Bill Bowes. I am an orthopedic surgeon from Mobile, Alabama. And I just wanted to share with you my experience with Christopher and DR at Smart Trade Pro. For years and years I've been interested in the stock market, and I've had many other professionals try to educate me or sell me things. However, DR and Christopher are a world apart from these people. They are genuinely interested in me learning about the stock market, They all have a genuine gift for teaching, and this has given me great confidence that I can do it on my own.
I've known DR and Christopher as part of the Smart Trade Pro group for probably about 5 years now. 2008 is when I first met DR. One thing that I've concluded in working with DR and Christopher is that, and the Smart Trade Pro group, is that they are the real thing. The honesty, the integrity is there 100%, and that's probably the most important thing that is evident in the relationship.
They're more than just mentors to me. They're great people, and everything that I've ever learned about the market, I was always intimidated about it because I just knew nothing about the markets, and they just made it so accessible and so tangible for me. You have DR who's more on the left brain side, and then you have Christopher who's on the right brain side, and you can just tap in no matter where you are on that spectrum. You'll be able to connect and understand, and I just think it's a gift and a blessing for me to be in the company of these guys, and they are. I trust them with everything. I mean, I wouldn't keep coming back if I didn't, and all of my investment and finance advice comes from them. So I just have a blast every time I get to see them.
My name is Dr. Lucille Neckis, and I met DR and Christopher a few years ago through another investing educational experience. I was so impressed the first time I saw them on stage because I'd, for the longest time, been on my search for passive income, financial education that was of high integrity and proven to be of value. And I had been always approached, and still am, by many, many people professing to be very experienced at financial planning, and have found out that that's really a very, very challenging experience to find somebody who really not only knows what they're doing, but has high integrity and puts a lot of effort into educating their clients. And Christopher and DR have been the absolute best. I would trust them without any reservations in terms of being able to teach me and help me, support me in achieving financial success.
I had taken a number of courses in the past, very fragmented, but this program is so, it basically gives you a very holistic approach so that you not only have the proper